I'm Laura Collins. I'm a metrologist here at Seabird, which means that I help to maintain the accuracy of our sensors by maintaining the Metrology lab where we have all of our standards, and this helps to ensure that our measurements agree with international scales and have traceability to those standards. So here we have our temperature measurement equipment. The most important part of our temperature calibration system are the physical reference standards that we maintain on site. We have two fixed point cells, the triple point of water and the gallium melt point cell. The triple point of water is called the triple point because it is 3 phases of water in equilibrium, so like ice, water, and vapor, and that exists only at 0.01 degrees Celsius, and so that serves as the standard for the lower end of our calibration range. At the upper end of our calibration range, we have the gallium melt point cell, which is very pure gallium metal that's solid at room temperature, but if you warm it up slightly, it begins to melt, and while you maintain that melt, it is stable at 29.76 degrees Celsius, so that's the upper end of our calibration range. These two fixed point cells are important because they allow us to maintain a platinum reference thermometer, which we use to calibrate our reference threes like that control our calibration bands. So basically the thermometer is calibrated against our source and temperature truth, our physical reference standards, and then it is used in turn to calibrate our reference threes and a calibration band. And those references control our calibration bands are used to calibrate all of our sensors. So you have a chain of calibration from a customer sensor is calibrated against our reference threes, which are calibrated in turn against this platinum thermometer, and then the platinum thermometer is calibrated directly against these fixed point cells, which were evaluated at NIST before we brought them on site here. So we have a direct link to your NIST standards with every Seabird temperature calibration that we do. Okay, so here we have one of our autosalenometers. We use this daily to measure the salinity of the bottle samples that we take from our calibration bands. So the conductivity of those samples is measured relative to the standard seawater, and through that we can calculate the salinity of those samples and use it for our calibration.